Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Army Public School PMA Resource Network. I am your maths teacher Nadia. Before we start our today's subject maths, please subscribe this page and click on bell icon to receive the upcoming notification about our channel. In our today's subject, we are going to discuss prime numbers. So, before going to our next topic, let's have a recap of previous topic that was counting to 10 million. Our first question is find the missing number. The number is 3,700,302. Keep in your mind to find the missing number, we must know the place value of each digit. Here the place value of the digit 3 is million. So our first number is 3 million. Second digit 7 is in 100,000 place. So second number is 700,000. 10,000 and 1000 digits are missing. And next digit 3 is in 100 place. So here the answer is 300. Second number is 467,532. Here the first digit 4 is in 100,000 place. So the correct number is 400,000. Our second question, write 345,678 in words following the international number system and Pakistani number system. In international number system, the digit 3 is in 100,000 place. 4 is in 10,000 and 5 is in 1000 place. The place value of 6 is 100 and 7 is 10 and 8 is in ones place. So in words, it is 345,678. And in Pakistani number system, as we know that 100,000 is lakh, and in 100,000 place we have the digit 3. So we will write it as 3,45,678. Our third question is write 4,467,007 in numerals. As it is 7-digit number, so first draw 7 boxes and write the place value in each box. That is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000 and million. The digit 4 is in million place. So we will put the digit 4 in million box. Again the digit 4 is in 100,000 place. Then we have the digit 6 in 10,000 place. 7 in 1000 place. 110 digits are missing. So we will put 0 in these places. And 7 is in ones place. So the number is 4,467,007. Here the objectives are identify the prime numbers and composite numbers and find the prime factors of a given number. Before defining prime numbers, first we must know what are the factors. Factors are the numbers that divide a given number completely. For example, we have a number 4. Now check which numbers divides 4. 1 divides 4, 2 divides 4, and 4 itself divides 4. So the factors of 4 are 1, 2, and 4. Means all the numbers that divide a given number completely are called the factors of that number. Look at the list given below. In list A, The first number is 2. Now check which numbers divide 2. Here we have only two numbers that divide 2, 1 and the number itself. So the factors of 2 are 1 and 2. And in list B, we have the numbers 4, 6, 8, 9 and 10. Check the factors of 4. 1 divides 4, 2 divides 4 and 4 divides 4. 4 has 3 factors. Now the number 6, 1 and 6 obviously divide 6. Then 2 divides 6, 3 also divides 6. So the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. It means 6 has 4 factors. So the number that divides the given number completely are called the factors of that number. Now dear students, we will learn about prime numbers and composite numbers. Prime numbers are the numbers that have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. Or you can say a number which is divisible by only two numbers, 1 and the number itself, is called prime number. Look at the list A. Here the number 2 is divisible by only two factors, 1 and 2 itself. No other number divides 2. So 2 is a prime number. Similarly, 3, 5, 7 and 11 also have two factors. So these numbers are prime numbers. And the numbers that are not prime are called composite numbers. Or a composite number has more than two different factors. Or you can say when many numbers divide a number, then this number is composite number. Look at list B. In list B, the numbers 4, 6, 8, 9 and 10 have more than two different factors. Such numbers are called composite numbers. Here we have some key points to identify the prime numbers and composite numbers. First, we will check the number 1, whether it is a prime or composite. The number 1 has only one factor. 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1. So 1 is not a prime number because a prime number has exactly two factors. 1 is also not a composite number because composite number has more than two factors. So 1 is neither a prime nor composite number. 2 is the only even number that is prime. All the even numbers except 2 are composite numbers because all the even numbers are divisible by 2. Now what are the even numbers? Even numbers are those numbers that end with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. And all the even numbers are divisible by 2. So all the even numbers except 2 are composite numbers. All the numbers except 5 that end with 5 are also composite numbers. For example, 15 ends with 5, 25, 305, 705. All these numbers end with 5. So these numbers are divisible by 5 and these numbers are also composite number. Now we have some divisibility test to check whether the number is divisible by 2, 3 and 5. Divisibility test of 2. Check the digit in the ones place if it is even are 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Then the number will be divisible by 2. Divisibility test of 3. Add the digits of the number, or if the sum of digits of a number is divisible by 3, then the whole number is divisible by 3. For example, 51. The digits of 51 are 5 and 1. Now add 5 and 1. Their sum is 6. 6 is divisible by 3, then 51 is also divisible by 3. Divisibility test of 5. Check the ones place. If the number is either 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 5. For example, 310, 515. Now we will learn how to find the prime factors of a number. And the method of finding the prime factors of a number is called prime factorization. There are two methods for finding the prime factors of a number. Number 1, factor tree method. Number 2, table method. Here we have an example. We are asked to find the prime factors of 24. Our first method is factor tree method. In this method, we will make a tree like this. First, divide 24 by the smallest prime number. The smallest prime number is 2 that divides 24. 2 multiplied by 12 is 24. So the first factor of 24 is 2 and the second factor of 24 is 12. 12 is a composite number. So again we will check which smallest number divides 12. 2 divides 12. 2 multiplied by 6 is 12. So 2 is the first factor of 12 and 6 is the second factor of 12. Now 6 is further divided by 2. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Both the factors of 6 are prime numbers. So we will stop factorizing here. Now the factors of 24 are 2, 2, 2 and 3. Now we will factorize the number 24 by table method. For table method, we will draw the table and put the number 24. Now check which smallest prime number divides 24. 2 divides 24, we will take the number 2 and divide it. 2 multiplied by 12 is 24. So we will write the number 12 down 24. Again 12 is divisible by 2. 2 multiplied by 6 is 12. Write 6 down the 12. 6 is again divided by 2. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Now 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. Now the factors of 24 are 2, 2, 2 and 3. We are asked to write the numbers 24 as a product of its prime factors. So 24 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Now your assignment is task 1. Textbook page 15, 16, example 2, 3 and 4. You have to do these examples in your textbook. Task 2. Textbook page number 16, question 1 and 2. Task 3. Workbook worksheet number 2. Submit task 1 and task 2 assignment on AIS. Thank you.